Hi guys, welcome back. So a few of you have been asking how loud are lovebirds and how loud are lovebirds kept together, so more than one.
Guys, if you're wondering what I'm doing with this stupid hat on my head, it's to hide my light bulb hair.
Yeah, so guys, I thought I'd just pop a little video clip after this. We've just been outside filming in the aviary. There's 5, that's 10, 5 in total. And they're all different types of lovebirds, peach-faced, white-faced violets. Very nice birds they are indeed. There's one in the breeding cage. But yeah guys, a little clip after this, about 40 seconds long. This just shows how loud they are. And I've only put the camera towards their cage, so we're not moving it at all, we're not trying to scare them. Genuinely just how loud they are when they're together. Enjoy guys! Yeah guys, that gives you an idea roughly of how loud these little guys can be. And be sure to check back as well, we're always doing loads of these little videos. This is just a short one because everyone's been asking. Yeah, I know, totally agree with you up there mate, totally agree. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and pop a little comment down below if you want guys, that'd be cool. If you have any ideas or if you'd like me to post a video, anything to do with caging aviary birds, anything at all guys, go for it. Anyway guys, see you next one, take care.